Go home happy with the 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This affordable, fuel-efficient Crosstrek gives you all the features you need to keep up with your busy lifestyle. All-wheel drive, flexible interior space, a smooth car-like ride, and impressive connectivity help you tackle every project with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel ready to take on your day in this well-equipped Crosstrek. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.